Supplier Transactions Report. A supplier transaction report is a document that provides a detailed overview of all transactions between a company and its suppliers. The report typically includes information such as the date of the transaction, the amount involved, the goods or services purchased, and the names of the suppliers involved. You can access this report from Suppliers, Reports, Supplier Transactions. You can select Date Range from Date Range drop-down menu. You can select monthly, quarterly, yearly, month to date, quarter to date, year to date, life to date, custom to date. You can select last month, last quarter, last year. If you select custom date, you can select specific date range. If you select all, system will display all date range supplier transactions. You can select particular supplier. You can select range of suppliers. If you don't select any supplier, system will display all supplier transactions. You can select supplier category. You can select range of supplier categories. If you don't select in supplier category, system will display all supplier categories. You can select active, inactive, or both suppliers. From transaction type, you can select supplier adjustment, supplier invoice, supplier opening balance, supplier payment, supplier return. If you don't select any supplier transaction type, system will display all transaction types. If you check Use Foreign Currency checkbox, system will display transactions in supplier's currency. After that, hit View Report button. You can view the transactions. Transactions categorized by supplier name. You can view supplier name, opening balance as at date, opening balance as at date range, opening date. You can view transactions. You can view closing balance, and you can view movement for the period. You can view transaction date, transaction reference, transaction type, description, debit amount, credit amount, and balance. If you check on Use Foreign Currency checkbox, system will display transactions in supplier's currency. In this example, there are rupees and dollars. If you uncheck this Use Foreign Currency checkbox, system will display all transactions in home currency. Furthermore, if you uncheck this Use Foreign Currency checkbox, system will display grand total. System will display closing balance, grand total. By clicking this transaction, you can view the original transaction. You can export this report to PDF, Excel, CSV. If you want to print, you can print or email this report.